Roughly 9 out of 10 people who try affiliate marketing quit before they ever earn a single commission. Not because the model is broken, because they walk straight into 3 traps that quietly kill the whole thing. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1. Chasing the highest commission instead of the right audience. New affiliates see a program paying $200 a sale and they sprint toward it. But if you've built an audience of broke college students and you're pushing enterprise software, nobody buys. The money isn't in the payout. It's in the match. Promote things your specific viewers actually need and can afford. A $10 commission you earn 50 times beats a $200 one you never earn once. So before you pick a product, ask one question. Would the people who already trust me genuinely use this? If the answer is no, walk away. Mistake number 2. Leading with the link instead of the trust. People paste affiliate links everywhere. In comments, in captions, in random replies. And it reads as spam because it is. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Affiliate income is downstream of trust, not traffic. You have to be useful first. Review the thing honestly. Show the downsides. Tell people who it's not for. When you're willing to talk someone out of a purchase, the recommendations you do make start to carry weight. That honesty is the entire asset. Burn it for a quick click and you've got nothing left to sell. Mistake number 3, and this one's brutal. Building your whole thing on a platform you don't control. Some affiliates pour 2 years into a single account, then wake up to a banned page or a changed algorithm and lose everything overnight. Traffic you rent can be taken away. Traffic you own can't. So from day 1, push people towards something you actually keep. An email list is the classic answer because nobody can de-boost your inbox. Even a few hundred subscribers who trust you is worth more than a follower count you don't really own. So how much is realistic here? Honestly, most beginners make close to nothing for the first several months. That's normal. The people who report steady income, a few hundred to a few thousand a month, usually got there after a year or more of building genuine trust with a narrow audience. It's a slow compounding game, not a switch you flip. Pick the right match. Lead with honesty. Own your audience. Do those 3 things, and you're already ahead of almost everyone who tried and quit. If this saved you from a mistake or 2, subscribe. I break down one honest way to earn online every single week, and I'd love to have you back for the next one.